recording is already on progress. Allow TIS and allow Teacher Jermaine to do the recording this afternoon. It's already 5:08 in the Nissan time. Okay, gladly, I have 14 of you this afternoon. So, a pleasant afternoon and welcome to our grammar class today. So, by the end of our discussion, or just a short review, I will be giving a very short quiz about the lesson we discussed last meeting, so the wait with our review this afternoon. So again, please expect for a while. Okay, I'm sorry, I lagged for a while. Okay, so please expect for a test after our discussion this afternoon. Okay, let us start. Can I ask anybody who can tell me or tell everyone what was our lesson last Monday? Or for the 2 Mondays that we discussed, what were we discussing? Anyone? We have been
about reflexive pronouns.
okay,
Pronouns.
basically we discuss about pronouns. We talk about the different types of pronouns also. We have subject pronouns, object pronouns. We also have possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns. Okay. So your test this afternoon will be, of course, all about pronouns. So I will not be sharing, what do you call that one? Teacher will not be sharing my screen for the blue book, okay, but we will be using the chat box. Okay? For a while. I cannot open my chat box. Okay, there you have it. So first part of the test this afternoon is on identifying the pronouns that are being used in the sentences. So first, this one, I'll be writing sentences in the chat box, then I'll be calling representatives. You read it, then you tell me what is the pronoun in the sentence. Okay, Catherine, please read the first sentence.
They are animals.
Come again.
They are animals.
You say the pronoun is
They.
they. The pronoun is they. Okay, thank you. Sundara, next one. Thank you, Catherine.
Yes, miss.
Okay, please read the next sentence.
Coba ini.
They are animals. He is funny.
Okay, the next sentence. He is.
They.
No, the second one. The second one.
He is funny.
Yes.
Funny.
He is funny. What is the pronoun?
Funny.
Funny, is that a pronoun? Okay. He is funny. What is?
Is.
Come again?
Is.
Is. Is it?
Mr. Help.
Honey, you can help your brother, honey. Honey, please read.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, please read the second sentence.
He he is funny.
Yes, what's the pronoun?
The pronoun. Pronounnya apa?
The
The
pronoun is he, right?
Yes.
Okay. I have another sentence, honey. Try that one. Okay. The third sentence, honey, please read.
He is my best friend.
Yes. What do you think is the pronoun in that one?
He.
Yes, the pronoun is he. Okay. That's good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I have here another one. We have the fourth one. Tristan.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, please read the number 4.
Okay. He lost his toys.
Yes. How many pronouns do you think are there, Tristan?
Uh, two.
Yes, very good. What do you think are those?
He and his.
Yes, when you say he, it's a subject pronoun, while his, it's a possessive pronoun. Thank you, Tristan.
You're welcome.
Okay, doing good. How about the next one? Okay, Aaron, is your microphone okay now?
Yes.
Wow, finally! I can hear you now. Okay, please read number 5, Aaron.
She and I are in the same class.
Come again. She and I. Balik-balik.
She and I are in the same class.
Yes. How many are? How many are the pronouns?
Two.
Yes, we have 2. What are those?
She and I.
Yes, very good. We have she and I. Very good. Thank you,
Thank
Aaron.
you, Miss.
Okay, so that is very easy, right? You're going to, what do you call that one? You're just going to identify the the pronoun in the sentence. For a while. So I'll be I have here another one. Okay, let's have number 6 now. Okay, number 6. Cynthia, please read.
Okay, Miss. It is very big.
Yes. It is very big. What is the pronoun?
It
Okay, the pronoun is it. Okay, good. Thank you, Satya. Okay, this time I'll be asking Josephine.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Josephine, I'll be asking you to read all the sentences, okay? Okay, for example, you say, they are animals. The pronoun is they. He is funny. You read the sentence, then you tell the pronoun. 1 to 6, okay?
Okay, Miss. They are animals. The pronoun is they. He is funny. The pronoun is he. He is my best friend. The pronoun is he. He lost his toys. The pronoun is he. The pronouns
Are.
are he and his. She and I are in the same class. The pronoun are she and I. It is very big. The pronoun is it.
Very good. Doing good. Thank you, Josephine.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, how about I'll be asking Greece to do it also. Greece.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, I will also be asking you to read the sentences and identify the pronouns just like what Josephine did. Okay? Okay, if not Greece, Clara, can you do it, Clara? Hi, Clara. Oh, they're not opening their microphone. Maybe Catherine, would you like to do it, Catherine?
Yes, teacher.
You go read the sentence, then identify the pronouns. Go, Catherine.
They are animals. They are animals. The pronoun is they. He is funny. The pronoun is he. He is my best friend. The pronoun is he. He lost his toys. The pronouns are he and his. She and I are in the same class. The pronoun are she and I. It is very big. The pronoun is it.
Very good. Okay, thank you, Catherine.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay, so next part of next part of, let us see. Oh, okay, Grace. Okay. Grace, I am not sharing my screen. Please open your chat box, okay? I hope everybody can see my messages in the chat box. Okay, next one, you check my new message. You are going to identify the correct pronoun to be used in the sentence. Okay. And can you read my first sentence?
Okay, Miss. A blank are engineers.
Yes.
The
Okay,
pronoun is they
yes. Why are we going to use they
because
and
the to be is are. Are is the plural is more than one.
Yes, very good. Are, that's plural. So we are going to use they. Thank you. That's good. Thank you, Inda.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, Tristan, how about you again? Tristan,
Yes, Miss.
okay, you have now the sentence.
Okay. Blank is a teacher.
Yes.
It's she. The answer is she.
Why she, Tristan? Of course, we cannot use it, right? Because it, that is for things, for animals, for celebration. Although there is no given name in that one, we can just use she because it's more correct to use she than it. Right?
Yes.
Okay. I have another one, Tristan, and I still want you to read it and answer for a while. Okay, you have it now.
Wait. Blank is rainy day. It day. The
Yeah.
answer is it.
Why it, Tristan? Why it now? It is rainy day. Why should we use it?
Because the it is referring to a things.
Yeah, or what do you call it? Rainy day. It's what do you call that one? It's a season. It's a weather for the day, right? It's not a person. So we are going to use it. Is that right, Tristan?
Yes, miss.
Okay, thank you, Tristan. Okay. I also have another one, Noel.
Yes, miss.
Okay, please check the next sentence.
Blank is my best friend,
Yes.
but the answer is he
Okay. Why are we going to use he, not they?
because uh it use is.
Okay, which means
The subject is singular.
singular. So our subject pronoun should also be singular. So we will be using he as my best friend. Okay, Noel, please check the next sentence.
Blank is an apple. The answer is it
Why it?
because apple is an object.
Yes, so we will be using it. Okay. Noel, could you please read everything, then use the correct pronoun? I want you to start with the blank or inconvenient before Grace message. Okay? Noel, can you
They
just
are animals. He is funny. He is my best friend. He lost his toys. She and I are in the same class. Is very big.
oh, Noel, you just start with this one. Here, blank or engineering.
They are engineers. She is a teacher. It is a rainy day. He is my best friend. It is an apple.
Okay, thank you. I am going to share my own screen. Oh, how about that? Can you see it? Can you see the chat box now on my screen?
Yes.
Alfonso, can you see the meeting chat? No?
Uh,
No longer. How about that one? Can you see it now?
I only see blank is an apple.
Oh, okay. Okay, you don't have my screen. Okay.
Eh,
So
Oh, I see it.
What do you call that one?
I think
Honey,
it was the chat box.
come again. Alfonso, come again.
Sorry, that I was thinking about the chat box.
But how about my screen, Alfonso? What can you see on my screen? Our
Your computer?
yeah. Oh, not the meeting chat. Not the chat box.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So I stopped sharing my screen. Okay, you just use the chat box, okay? Okay. So we will be having another one. Okay, so I will be giving you sentences. Then you're going to identify what should be the correct pronoun to be used for the underlined word. Okay, for example, we have this one. Oh, how can I? But I cannot underline. For a while, I'll be opening my PowerPoint. Okay, Alfonso.
Yes.
Okay, try to read the sentence.
Aaron loves to sing.
Aaron loves to sing. What's the underlined word now?
Aaron.
Okay, what pronoun are we going to use to replace Aaron?
He.
Okay, why he?
Because Aaron is a boy.
Yes, Aaron is a boy. Is he? What type of pronoun is he?
Subject pronoun.
Yes, it's a subject pronoun. Okay, for a while. How about the next one? Still you, Alfonso.
Aaron will sing a duet for Clara. With Clara.
Again, please read.
Aaron will sing a duet with Clara.
What do you think are we going to use for Clara to replace the name of Clara?
Her.
Okay, we'll sing a duet with
Her.
her. So her is an example of a
Example of objective pronoun.
yes, an object pronoun. Okay, the next one, still you, Alfonso.
Okay. Clara has beautiful voice. The answer is she.
Because our underlined word here is
Clara.
Clara. Good. Okay, thank you, Alfonso.
Welcome.
Okay, I will still be using the same sentences, but this time I'll be asking Ressa now. Ressa.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Same sentences for you. Please read the first one.
Aaron loves to sing.
Yes. What's the underlined noun? The underlined noun is Aaron. What are we going to use to replace Aaron?
He.
Okay, we are going to use he. Next sentence, please. Rasa, still you.
What, miss?
I still want you to read the next sentence.
Oh, okay, miss. Aaron will sing a duet with Clara.
Yes. Okay, you have there Clara. What pronoun to be used to replace Clara?
She.
Come again.
She.
Okay, but you have here.
She, miss.
Are we going to use she for that sentence? Okay, Aaron will sing a duet with Clara. Okay, Clara is the receiver of the action. So shall we say Aaron will sing a duet with she?
No, Clara, miss.
Yeah. So to replace Clara, we are going to use the pronoun her. Okay. Because this time Clara is not a subject pronoun. It's not the subject in the sentence, but the receiver of the action. So we are going to use her. But if we say Clara has a beautiful voice, Clara as the subject, that's the time we are going to use she for it. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Rasa.
You're welcome, miss.
How about this one? Catherine?
Yes, teacher. The book is new. The concert will start today.
Okay, let's have first the first sentence. The book is new. What's the underlined noun, Catherine?
The book.
Yes, what pronoun are we going to use to replace the book?
It.
Yes, because book is a thing. So we say it. How are we going to say that, Catherine?
It is new.
Very good. How about the next sentence, please?
It.
Read first. The concert.
The concert will start today.
Yes. So the underlined word is the concert. What are we going to use to replace it?
It.
Okay, how are we going to read it?
It will start today.
Very good. Okay. How about the last one? The last one, please, Catherine.
Tristan and I are good friends.
Yes.
Mm,
You have
we.
trust. Yes.
We.
Very good. So how are you going to read it?
We are good friends.
Very good. Thank you, Catherine.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay. So that is, so that will be, I think this is part 2 of the test. Okay, there are underlined nouns, then you're going to identify, not identify, I think you're going to write what's the correct pronoun to be used to make the sentences correct. Okay, Lastly, I have this activity for you. So let's have this time the the nouns are not um underlined, but they are enclosed in parentheses. So, for example, Enda gave my drink. So, what is our pronoun? What should be the pronoun to be used to replace Enda? Okay, we know that Enda is a girl. So, replacing Enda, you are going to say she gave my drink because the pronoun she refers back to Enda. Okay, how about if we have this? Okay, we have this. Enda, please read.
Japan near from here.
Yes.
The pronoun is it.
Yes. So replacing Japan, we will be using the pronoun it. Okay. Still, the next one, Enda.
Catherine broke her toy.
To replace Catherine, we will be using
She.
okay. We will be using she. So she broke her toy. So I will now be sharing the screen for our test tonight. You know what? I only have 16 kids today. So Mark is not around and other kids are not here also. So sharing with you grammar test. This is quiz number 3 already. Okay, this is quiz number 3. Oh, my screen is still black. Let's wait for it. Okay. Do you have it now?
Yes, teacher.
Put it here.
Yes.
Okay, so this is grammar class quiz number 3, okay? Okay, do not forget to, of course, to write your email, then afterwards, your name. Okay, so, okay, for part 1, you have read and identify the pronoun in each sentence. So there are no choices given, okay? No choices. You are going to write. Okay, you are going to write the correct pronoun. Okay. I'll stop sharing first because I want you to take note of this one. Okay. Do you have my screen again?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss. Everybody, for example, you will be having this sentence. Okay. So you have it here. She gave my drink. She gave my drink. What's the pronoun in the sentence?
She.
She.
What you are going to do, so how is the word she written? How is it written? It starts with?
Capital letter.
Yes, very good observation, Catherine. It starts with a capital letter. So what I would like to ask from you is, you're going to write how the pronoun is being written in the sentence. For that, she gave my drink. She starts with a capital letter S. So that's why it should also be in capital letter S. So you answer she. She. Example, if I say, you say, I am Alfonso. I am Alfonso. What's the pronoun for that sentence? The pronoun is?
I.
Very good,
I.
Catherine. The pronoun is I. So you are going to write capital letter I. If you write small letter I will not be checking that one. Okay? Because that is not because that is how the answer should be written. Okay, another example for so that we will be clear. Okay, look at my screen, everybody. You have he is Alfonso. He is Alfonso. The correct pronoun is he. But if you are going to answer that way, teacher will be thinking to give it, or although your answer is he, but the correct way of writing it is it should be in capital letter. Why? Because it is how it is written in the sentence. Am I clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Okay.
Miss.
Okay. Hopefully, okay. Hopefully everybody got my instruction. So, so that's for part one, okay? That is one until number five. Okay, for a while. Oh, it's logging again. Okay, so that's one. That's for number one to number five. Then for section two, uh, just like our activity a while ago, you have there the sentences. You pick the pronoun that could replace the underlined word. So that's very easy, okay? That's number 6 until number 10. But for number 3, choose, okay, not choose, but you are going to give the correct pronoun. No choices given, okay? There are no choices given. You are going to write the correct answer on the spaces provided. Am I clear? Am I clear now?
Yes.
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 If you have any question, okay? If you have any question,
No, teacher.
okay. Okay, everyone, the link for the test is already in the chat box. Please check it so you can answer. You still have, let me check. Oh, 15 minutes to do it. Okay, go on and you answer now. Then I'll be waiting for your response before your next class. Okay, please start now, everybody. Please open your cameras. Noel, Farah, Celeste, Nicolas, Katrina, Dries, Reza, Josephine, Clara, go now. How are you, Katrina?
Good, miss.
How are, do the test now. Noel, do the test now. So I'll be checking time to time those who were able to answer.
Miss,
Yes.
when you're writing like two pronouns,
Yes.
like she and I, do you make the I like capital?
Yes.
Oh, okay, Miss, thank you.
Yes. Because Nicholas, it should be in capital, right? When you say I. Dong?
Done, Miss.
Yeah. I already have 5 responses from the class.
Not done, Miss.
Yes. Alfonso.
Yes.
And Enda, what happened to part 1?
What?
Was my instruction not clear? You're going to identify the correct pronoun. What's the pronoun used in the sentence? Instead, you are giving me another pronoun.
Oh,
Oh,
sorry.
really, right?
Sorry.
Oh,
Miss, there's something wrong.
and for a while. Yes, Nicolas. What is it? What is it? What's something wrong?
I checked part 1, number 5. I answered them with the right capital letter, but it's wrong. But it says the right answer is with the uncapital T.
I'll be checking it. Are you done, Nicolas?
Yes.
Me too.
Kind of.
Also with the capital letter, but I mean the first I use capital letter, but I check it. It's wrong.
For what number is that? Nicolas? Really? I think Nicolas, you're talking about number 5, wherein the correct answer should be in small letter, but your answer is in capital letter.
Yeah, it's supposed to be capital, right?
But how is it written in the sentence? It's not capital letter. Number 5, it's not written in capital letter, the pronoun. I was asking you a while ago to write the correct answer just like how it is written in the sentence. You know what? You did not understand part 1, but that is supposed to be the easiest part of the test today. You're just going to identify the correct pronoun. Yet, many of you gave another answer. For example, number 1, you have it here. Rihanna and I are good friends. Why are you writing she? Can you read she in the sentence? It's very clear. Read and identify the pronoun in each sentence.
In my I just for number 1 I answer Rihanna and then I, but the answer says it's only I.
Why? Is Rihanna a pronoun, Tristan? Are you questioning it? Rihanna is a noun. It's a name of a person. It's not even a pronoun. Right, Tristan?
I think
Yes.
yes.
Yes. Rihanna is a noun. It's a name of person, not a pronoun. The only pronoun in the sentence is I. So you did not get the instruction. That's why nobody got a perfect score.
Oh, I understand now.
I'm sorry, I am not angry. I am just stating some facts. Oh, look at here. Your scores are very low.
Miss, can you tell me what's the high score that we got?
I think it's Noel who got 12 for a while. I'll be checking it. Yeah, it's Noel. Noel, I'll be checking your number 4. Same with number 5. Noel. Is Noel still here?
Yes, miss.
You got 14 out of 15. 14 out of 15.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Your, what do you call that one? You just missed number 3, I guess. You just answered it. Okay. Next time, okay, teacher have given you the instruction before you took the test. The instruction was very clear. So you follow instruction. Okay. Never. Okay. I will be going through with your answers. Okay. Don't be sad because we still have many tests to come. So it's already,
Miss,
yes, Nicolas.
and what's the lowest score?
I will not be sharing the lowest score, okay? Because I will just be releasing the score once I check your answers. Tomorrow, we will also have a test, okay, for our TOEIC class. So get ready for another test for tomorrow. Okay? Thank you for being with me for our grammar class. Continue, okay? Continue to study. Okay, for those who are not yet done, continue answering. Okay? So I'll be leaving now. Thank you, kids. I'll see you tomorrow for our next class tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss.
Thank you.
Bye, Miss. Bye-bye, Miss.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye, Miss.
Bye, Miss.
Thank you. Bye, Catherine, Honey, and Sarah. Thank